Manipur's Rongmei Naga Council has called for an indefinite bandh starting at midnight on August 18, 2024 due to the state government's failure to fulfill the demand for an alternative administration arrangement for Noni district. In a release issued by Rongmei Naga Council, Manipur Nityapai Longran condemned the state government, stating that they did not respond to the demand of setting an alternative administration arrangement. The imposition of the bandh will affect key routes including Laimatagu-Loktak Project Road, National Highway 37 and Tongjoy-Maril Road. The notice also highlights that the bandh will exempt emergency services such as medical, water, electricity and education. Medical emergencies or those carrying necessary documents will be allowed to pass through, and the public is requested to cooperate during the duration of the blockade. The Rongmei Naga Council, seeking support for the bandh, stated that it is being imposed by the Naga community residing in the Henglep constituency of Churachampur and the Saito constituency of Kangpokpi district. They urged all members of the Naga community and others to cooperate during the bandh until their demand is fulfilled. It may be mentioned that the Rongmei Naga Council recently staged a protest alleging that the Rongmei Naga community in Churachampur and Kangpokpi districts has been deprived of its rights as a minority community. One of the protesters, Grace Kamai, claimed that Rongmei Nagas do not have free access to Churachampur and Kangpokpi districts as they are subjected to pay entry fee of Rs 100 per individual, just like foreigners, to enter their two districts. In view of the above inconveniences faced by the minority Rongmei Nagas, Grace Kamai demanded an alternative arrangement for administrative conveniences for minority Naga communities of Churachampur and Kangpokpi districts to Noni district.